In this video, we are going to take a look at the scheduler that is included in the IoT gateways. This scheduler is included in both the Modbus and the BACnet versions of the IoT gateways. So here we have the Modbus version, and the scheduler is found under the System tab. And if we're looking at the BACnet version, again, scheduler is found under the System tab. Now the only difference is, in the BACnet scheduler, we're looking at object numbers, BACnet objects, for example, analog input 1. And the Modbus version, we're simply looking at register numbers, holding register numbers. Regardless of whether it's Modbus or BACnet, it works basically the same way. You select which days of the week you want something to happen, on time and off time, or you might also look at it as start time and end time. And during the on time, this register number will be set to the on value, and the rest of the time it'll be, for that day at least, it'll be set to the off value. And in this example, we can see that we have event number 1 happening on Sunday, event number 2 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. Down here we have something going on every day of the week. And this happens to be from 10 a.m. to noon. Register 9 is going to be set to value of 10, and the rest of the time it's set to a value of 2. And these are simply examples for purposes of illustration. Your actual application will most likely have different values and different objects or different register numbers. One special instance of start time and end time, or on and off times, you can specify dawn and dusk, and what that will do is reference the sunrise and sunset time, which you find over on the network setting page. If you have the NTP server set up to find time of day and also have latitude and longitude plugged in, it will calculate the correct sunrise and sunset for your location. And then you can specify dawn and dusk. Dawn referring to sunrise, of course, and dusk being sunset. And here we have an example where we're doing something 30 minutes before sunrise and 30 minutes after sunset. You also see a holiday link here. If you want to do something every day of the week except on a holiday, you can come in here and select a holiday from the list. Right now we only have one holiday to pick from on our list. Those holidays are defined over here in the Holidays tab, and you can have up to 20 different holidays, and again specify a start time and on time and off time. Most of the time that's going to be all day, which would be from 0 to 23:59, and then specify what date that's going to be. So the weekly scheduler will do things every day of the week except for holidays, if there are any. You also have the option of on demand, which means do this one time, and I see we don't have any on demand schedule set up here, so let's create one. Let's say 10 a.m. on this date to well, that didn't come out right. Let's say till 10 p.m., which would be, the times are expressed in 24-hour format. And the date does not have to be the same day. If we want to cover, say, a range of 3 days or something, we can do that. And there we just added an on-demand entry in our schedule. So this is going to happen one time on that date, and that's basically all there is to that. So that's a quick overview of the scheduler capability. The scheduler gives us the ability to set registers to certain values according to a given schedule, and that in turn can hypothetically be used to control things somewhere else on the network.